Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the MIOFIVE S1 dashcam unboxing. I'm going to go over the contents with you. We're going to go over the dashcam, and at the end we're going to do a power test on this. Before we open the box, I'd like to just go ahead and look around the box to see if there's any literature. On the side of the box, it has some icons on there that says Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, IPS, 4K, and AI. And then on one side of the box, it has QR codes to follow them on Twitter or Facebook. And on the other side, it has a contact QR code. All right, so now let's start the unboxing. And the first thing we see, of course, is the dash cam. And notice on the lens, there's a protective covering to make sure you take off before you install this. But let's go ahead and take the dash cam out itself. All right, let me get you a closer look. Right here we have the speaker. And then on top we have the power button. And then we have the power outlet, which is a Type-C USB. And this is where you mount the dash cam to the bracket. All right, on the bottom here we got some vents. We have the microphone here. And then this circle here is the reset button. On this side we have the micro SD card slot and a mini USB connector. And let's take a look at that. And there you go, that's how it looks. All right, on the back, you have the top button. The next one down is your settings button, which is also your back button. And then you have your down button or next button. And this is also the button you press for emergency lock videos. And in the bottom here is your OK button. Then we got the screen itself, and these are the status indicator. All right, let's see what else we got. And it looks like we got the manual. For the manual, it tells you what's in the box, product diagrams, how to install the dash cam, a QR code for the app, and some descriptions about the features. All right, next. And the first thing we have here is going to be the power cable. Type A USB goes into the power slot, and this one is your Type-C that goes into the dash cam. All right, next we're going to have is the mount for the dash cam. Here's the adhesive that goes to the window shield. And let's go ahead and connect this together. Let's put that inside. We'll slide that right in there. There you go. And as you see, the dash cam's installed. You got 360 degrees that you could turn this into. And here you go to adjust it. And then there's the tightening knob. Once you get it to the spot you want, you could just tighten this up. Loosen to adjust, tighten to tighten. All right, next is the power socket that the cable goes into. Then it also gives you a Type-C USB cable. That way you could transfer your pictures if you want to connect it straight to the dash cam. And what you do is where the power's at, the power cable, you take that out and you put this in here, the Type-C cable, and you connect this to your computer. And that way you could transfer files back and forth, or you could use the app. All right, next you have an extra 3M adhesive in case you need to remount it to a different vehicle. And here's one of these pry bars or crowbars that help you insert the wires when you're installing your dash cam wires. And all it is, if you have a wire, you simply just push it down, or the headliner, you push it up and the wire just goes right into it. And then you got a cleaning cloth to wipe the screen or the lenses. And then it gives you two static clings. And what this is you apply these to your window shield, kind of like a screen cover on a cell phone. And then when you're ready to attach your dash cam, this is on the window shield. You take the lining off and you attach it there. And then when you're ready to take off your dash cam, or if you need to, you just simply pull this out rather than trying to get the 3M adhesive off your window shield. All right, so that's it for the unboxing. Now let's go and power this up. All right, now we're ready to power up the dash cam. I have the dash cam here. I got the cable that came with it and I put it on my AC adapter for my cell phone. And I'm just gonna plug it in. And I should be turning on.
Hi, MIOFIVE is here for you.
There it goes.
Insert memory card.
All right, here it is. You can see the dash cam there. A little up close there, and you can see it all around. All right, this concludes the unboxing and the power on test. So if the video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up. I'm gonna appreciate that for you, and it really helps the channel. If you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I'll have the review of this dash cam, I have the installation of this dash cam, how to use the menu, and how to use the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.